Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Bones Sports. If you're coming across this channel for the first time and you like what you see, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a video. It is time for Lagos Idumota Market. I'm heading to the market to bulk shop provisions for the month. So it's actually rainy season in Lagos, and you know what they say, when it rains it floods. Yeah, it floods easily in this Lagos, but we are gently just making our way through to the markets. On our drive, I bought gala because I was so hungry. If you love gala like me, let me know in the comment section. Hey guys, Bumsy here. You guys, I'm going with a smile on my face. My last market vlog where I opened it up, just talking about what a viewer did to my Alaboro woman. You guys, I had people, come into my DM and bless my Alaboro woman with some money that I'm actually going to be blessing her with today. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for the beautiful, amazing community that I have here. You guys are super amazing. I wanted to transfer the money to the lady directly, but I just felt like it's best enough to give her cash today and let her just be in a place of appreciation to you guys today. Thank you guys so much. But we are off to the market this morning. This is about 11 a.m. in the morning. It's a rainy, cold day. We're not just going to be doing provision market. I want to enter breadfruit market, which is inside Balogun as well. I want to buy a couple of things. I also want to do what they call it. I want to check for fabrics as well. Ashwabi fabrics as well, because in the coming vlogs you guys will know what I need all those things for. But anyways guys, welcome back again. I hope the prices are fair and they've not changed a lot this time around. But let's head to the market together, and I hope you guys would enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe to Bones Sports, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. If you enjoy my content, and I know you guys enjoy my content, if you enjoy my content, please leave it in the comment section as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this market video. So let's go. Once we come down from this flyover, we have gotten to the market, and the first thing we're going to do is enter into the UBA car park, collect our tickets and park properly, come down, head into the market and start shopping. So this is what the UBA car park looks like. Hey guys, we just got to the market and I just remembered that sorry, we just got to the market. I already called my Alaboro woman, but I just remembered that I want to also get attachments and all for my hair, because the price is where we are coming from. So I want to just get attachment because I want to weave my hair. I don't know if you guys want to come with me to where we get attachment, lush attachments and all. But yeah, let's just be going into the market together. If you live in Nigeria, you will know that tomato is now the new gold. We cited this custard paint of tomato and it was going for 12,000 naira. 12,000 naira. If tomato ever comes down, I am buying 2 baskets and storing in my freezer. But yeah guys, let's start heading into the market. One thing about this market is that whatever you are looking for, you would find it. But I said earlier that I am not heading straight into the provision market. I'm actually going to where I would see laces. One thing I don't like about going through this route to the market is that you will see a lot of cheap things that you can just actually start buying from the roads where, and this is my friend just making jest and jest of some shorts I wanted to buy. I'd stopped to just buy shorts that I would wear at home and this is me just testing this black one. I really did like it. I held this jean and the guy told me 18,000. I'm like, is it because I'm fair or what? But anyways, tell me what you think about these shorts in the comment section. I eventually got it. As I walked further into the market, I started seeing a couple of things that I needed at home that were on my list. So I started purchasing, and start off, I purchased this stockfish head. I'll let you guys know towards the end of the video when we are actually doing proper unboxing. But I bought 5 pieces of this. So I made a stop with this lady to buy this smoked banla and see how she arranged it. It was going for 1,000 naira for one tray, or literally how she arranged it. Yeah, but she couldn't speak English though, so someone was just there to interpret for her because she only heard and spoke in Yoruba. So I stepped further into the market and I saw this cow leg. I decided to buy. A piece was going for, I think, 4,000 naira, and I bought about 2 legs. So this is what actually brought me into the section of this market. I came to look for laces and all, but anyways guys, this is not really the actual market I was coming to. So let's head straight into Idumota Market and start shopping for provisions. You guys, I would never try what I did again in the market today. If I'm coming to one section of the market, that will be the end of it, and I would take myself back home. I was so knackered, so tired. I told my Alaboro man to come meet me at the place we usually shop for provisions, because I didn't even have the strength to go to the junction and go and meet her anymore. But anyways guys, I had water, I had Maltina just to rejuvenate myself. She had come here and I was just so happy to see her, same as her. So let's just get into the main business of the day. So I gave her the money that subscribers reached out to me to give to her. She was counting it that she didn't know that it was actually for her. But anyways, I'll show you her reaction at the end of this video. She was super excited and thankful. But yeah, this is me just sitting down, and it's time to buy everything that we need to actually buy in the market right now. So enjoy the shopping, and you know how we do it. When I get back home, I will do proper unboxing for you guys. I am so knackered. I'm so knackered. I just want to start going home. Unfortunately, I didn't find my meat man, Mr. Wasiu, today, but this is his brother. Look my camera. I am done buying at this point, and this is what my Alaboro man has to say to you guys, my amazing subscribers.
Thank you, ma. God bless you. Thank you
guys. Thank you for blessing my love. Thank you for wiping her tears. She's grateful.
Thank you, ma.
This army, excuse my scruggy face. You guys rock. You guys rock, actually. Thank you, Bums's Army. I am going home so happy. God bless you guys. You guys are amazing. For the people that contributed to put a smile on my Alaboro man's face, you guys are super amazing, and I cherish and love you guys. I'm back home and it's time to do a quick unboxing for you guys and fill you guys in on how much I bought each item. It's super late at night, but let's go at it. Cotton bud was going for 1,000 naira, Dano milk 3,900, and I bought about 8 pieces. Golden penny butter was 1,000, Dano sachet milk 1,000, Peak milk 1,300. I bought 5 sachets. I bought this Mentos chewing gum, the 2 of them, for 3,000. Look at this cute bottle. I couldn't keep my eyes off, and I bought it for Kaima. I bought it for about 6,000 naira, and I think it's so cute. Golden penny sugar 1001. Right guard was 3,500 each. Chocolate biscuit was 1,800, and I bought about 5 pieces to last us. I bought this cashew nuts for 3,500 each. Ribena was 3,300 for this pack. All my cabin biscuit lovers, I bought this 900. Fresh yo was 2,700. Granite was 2,000 naira. Viva dustbin nylon was 1,100 for one, and I bought about 3. Gillette shaving stick was 900. Mama lemon was 1,500 naira. Hypo was 2,500. I bought this air fresher for 1,200 each. Harpic was 3,000 naira. Morphix was 9,000 naira. Viva bar soap, the 3 was 1,300. Viva detergent was 1,600, and I bought the gold one. I bought this rose kitchen roll for 1,000 each, and I bought about 4 pieces. I bought this sweet corn for 600 naira each. I bought hens for 6,000 naira each. I bought this peanut butter for 1,500. I bought spaghetti 850 each. I bought lasso chicken 700, and I bought about 5 rolls. Nor was going for 1,500. I bought Sonia tomato paste for 700, Gino 700 as well. I bought my chicken spice for 1,500. I got this golden penny oil for 9,500. I bought these yams for 6,000 per one, and I bought about 2. I bought these plantains for 5,000 naira for this dead bunch, but I really needed plantain in the house. You guys, look at this. I bought golden cedar basmati rice for 19,000 naira. You saw where I was pricing the stockfish, and it went for 1,100. I bought about 5 pieces. Now, all of this meat, I don't think I got a good buy. I should have waited for my Wasiu to sell me better and fresher meat. But I got all of these that you can see, 20,000. I bought this fish for 3,000 naira. And I bought this meat for more. Pomo was going for 500 naira each, and I bought about 5 pieces. I also bought cow leg as well. You saw where I was buying it. For one of the cow leg was 4,500 naira, and I realized that my friend actually bought, and this is hers, this is not mine, because I bought about 3 legs. I bought shaki for 500. In total, I spent 315,000 naira. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's market vlog. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next one.